Scoreboard is a ShopPack companion product that's primarily focused on job tracking and management, whereas ShopPack is organized hierarchically by the job. Scoreboard lets you see job information across multiple jobs on one screen. Although ShopPack has myriad reports that show information across several jobs, Scoreboard gives you more options for selecting, grouping, and presenting data. And since the data is live versus a static report, it is always up to date and allows you to edit and make changes. It is a great tool for weekly status meetings since data can be grouped by job, customer, project manager, engineer, work order, whatever. Scoreboard runs in two distinct modes, unattended or interactive. As the name implies, unattended means users don't directly interact with Scoreboard. Instead, an admin user with appropriate security configures what data is read from the database and how it is presented to employees in a particular department. Usually a large monitor is used so employees can easily see tracking and status information. Once Scoreboard is properly configured, no more interaction is needed. It refreshes information and automatically scrolls, much like a flight monitor at an airport. Different instances of Scoreboard can be set up uniquely, each in accordance with the department's respective needs. This means if you have 2 or more scoreboards running at your company, each instance can be configured to show only the information needed by a particular department. Interactive mode allows a user to personally interact and navigate through Scoreboard. If you have update authority, you can change ShopPack data from Scoreboard. Since Scoreboard gives users the ability to group, filter, and present ShopPack data in myriad ways, it's the perfect tool for seeing the big picture on one screen. Let's take a closer look at Scoreboard's main tabs, starting with Milestones. It shows ShopPack milestones and optionally various job item, and work order fields. Milestones are one of ShopPack's powerful project management and job tracking tools. For consistency, Scoreboard colors dates according to ShopPack's date tracking colors. In ShopPack, you can create milestones at the job item or work order level. From the View combo box at the bottom of the Milestone tab, select job items or work orders. By default, the grid shows milestone target finish dates, but you can change it to completion dates instead. If you want, Scoreboard can display on-time statistics at the bottom of the milestone grid, as well as for each grouping. At a glance, you can see on-time percentages for key project milestones. The Work Order tab shows ShopPack work order, product, and department information, and optionally various job and job item fields. A powerful Scoreboard feature is grouping data hierarchically, any number of levels deep. And just like hiding or repositioning columns, Scoreboard remembers a grid's hierarchical groups across sessions. For example, if you want to group work orders by job, and within job by work order status, drag the job name column to the top, and then drag the work order status column to the top. You can see a work order's products and department routings by expanding a work order row. The Department tab shows you work order department routing information. For all grids, choose the columns to display as well as what sequence to display them. Scoreboard remembers hidden and displayed columns and their sequence between sessions. The Shipping tab shows ShopPack ship tickets, and within each ship ticket, its ship items. You can sort grid rows in ascending or descending order on any column, or combination of columns. Move your mouse to a column header. Click the column with your left mouse button. This toggles how the column is sorted. If the sort arrow is pointing up, rows are sequenced in ascending order by the column, and if the sort arrow points downward, rows are sorted in descending order. Another way to sort rows by a particular column is using the header column pop-up menu. Move your mouse to the column header you want to sort on. Right mouse click and choose Ascending, Descending, or Clear Sorting from the grid pop-up menu. Scoreboard makes it easy to see just the data you are interested in. If you move your mouse to a grid column, you'll see a little red down arrow in the upper right corner of the column header. Clicking the little red column filter pops up a list of unique values for that column. For example, if you only want to see work orders that are in the engineering, ready, or released status, check these status values. Scoreboard immediately refreshes the grid accordingly. Most of the time, column filtering is usually all you'll need. However, if your filtering needs are more complex, use Scoreboard's Custom Filter Builder. The Custom Filter Builder graphically lays out the current filtering criteria. It's easy to add, delete, and edit any aspect of the filter. For example, if you would like to add another work order status, simply click the button to add another condition. Change the condition to work order status, and change the status appropriately. Once you've changed your filter, click OK. The grid is updated immediately. Scoreboard has 8 interactive dashboards that graphically aggregate historical data so you can spot trends and gain better insight into operations, capacity, bottlenecks, and performance. At the top of each tab there are filter selections, so you can pinpoint the time frame and, in some cases, the specific status or type you want graphed. When you hover over the dashboard's specific chart, you will see it outlined in red, as well as the legend at the top of the chart will be highlighted. Scoreboard has a powerful report writer to print a hard copy report of the information currently displayed on the active tab, or save as a PDF. You'll see lots of formatting tools so you can dial in the report to look exactly how it needs to print. Another powerful Scoreboard tool is exporting grid data to Excel. Simply tell Scoreboard what you want to export and click OK. In this short video, we've shown you Scoreboard's ability to find and view key ShopPack data any way you want to present it. Whether you use it in unattended mode to communicate status real-time to department employees, or you use it interactively on a tablet as you walk through your shop, gauging and updating progress, Scoreboard is a powerful companion to ShopPack.